Welcome to Datagrid's Getting Started tutorial. Starting with Datagrid is a breeze. Simply head to our website at datagrid.ca and click the black button at the top labeled Sign Up with Google. On Google's sign-in page, select the Google account you'd like to use to log in to Datagrid. Be sure to grant all necessary Google permissions to ensure full functionality with Datagrid's corporate calendar. Next, fill out the form on Datagrid's new account registration page. Choose your preferred industry from the Start With drop-down menu, check the Terms checkbox, and then click the green Register button at the bottom of the form. Congratulations! Your new Datagrid free developer account is now active. You'll have complete access to all the customization resources necessary to develop your own corporate mobile application. Once synchronized, your app will be fully operational, even without a data connection. For a closer look at entering data collection questions, consider reviewing Datagrid's Forms and Forms sections tutorial. Thank you for exploring Datagrid's new account tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.